Want to play a fun and simple game on Instagram? Emoji Pong lets you challenge your friends in a ping-pong style game using just emojis. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to play. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap the direct messages icon in the top right corner to open your chats. Now, select a friend you want to challenge and open their chat. In the chat, send them any emoji of your choice. This will be the one used in the game. Once you've sent the emoji, tap on it within the chat. This will start the Emoji Pong game. The emoji will begin bouncing around, and your goal is to keep it in play by tapping it at the right time. At the top of your screen, you'll see a score counter tracking how many times you've successfully hit the emoji. Your friend can also join in. Once they tap the emoji, their score will appear on their screen too, turning it into a friendly competition. Now you know how to play Emoji Pong on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more fun tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.